Hey guys, what's up? So, my husband's a brat, okay? Honey, I know you're gonna see this. My birthday is in 2 days, June 17th. I'm filming this on the 15th, okay? For those of you who don't know, I was born in 91. It says vintage 1991. Honey, you're a brat. Now, this is my first time doing an Ipsy unbagging. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, okay? So, I got my Ipsy bag here. I'm gonna hide my address so you guys don't see it. Ow! Why do they gotta make them so damn sticky? Ouch. Now, I did cheat a little bit. Okay. So, I'm a little confused at the moment because on the portfolio, when they put the spoilers out, they said that I was going to get a red and pink bag. I was not too happy about that, and apparently they heard my thoughts. That's creepy, Ipsy. Come on now. So they sent a blue bag. It has a little heart thing on the top. I know this lighting isn't very good, guys. I'm sitting in my room. Let's take a sneak peek. Alright. Oh, that's tiny. I thought that was going to be bigger. This is MAC Prep and Prime, if I don't keep dropping it. You're gonna have to take my word. It's MAC Prep and Prime. It's a primer for foundation. Tint water, and why is it open? I don't get that. Now, I don't know. My eyes are so bad. Oh, lip tint. I wasn't really sure if it was a lip tint or like a blush type of thing. This is what it looks like. It's tiny, but there is a lot of product in here. Okay. What are these? Dr. Lily Fan Probiotic Eye Cream. Eye Repair Cream. It's just a tiny little thing of it. It really doesn't feel like there's much in here, because there's not. Whatever. That's a little frustrating, because with the sample sizes, if they want you to buy the full size, I think they should at least fill a sample size all the way. Like, I'm happy with this. But again, this could be mostly air. There could be like 1 to 2 uses in the MAC Prep and Prime, which frustrates me beyond belief. Flying Colors Ipsy June bag. MAC Prep and Prime. I don't know. They're going over the MAC Prep and Prime on the card. I'll read that later. Toledo Skin Blush. Okay. Skin blush. I thought there was just regular old blush. Apparently, I don't know. So this is the exact same packaging as the last blush I got, which I still have and I like. Whoa. I'm not so sure I like that color though. It comes off almost like a burnt orange, almost pink kind of color. I don't know about that. Now, what is this last item? Okay, this is a decent size sample, I'll admit it. And it feels decently full. Like, it doesn't feel like there's a tiny little mound in there like that one. That one kind of irritated me. But this is Delectable Body Butter Cream. I don't wear body butter. I use a moisturizing body wash as it is. So I'm not a fan of stuff like that. But whatever. The bag, however, has a weird plasticky kind of smell. It feels like leather, but it smells like it smells weird, and it feels like there's some kind of oil thing on it. I don't know. Somebody else might like the bag better than me. I'm not a fan of it. They had a yellow one, which I was hoping I was gonna get, but clearly didn't. So that is my Ipsy unbagging, I guess. If you guys like this video, let me know. If you want more of them, again, comment, let me know. Whatever, right? I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a good day. Okay, bye!